The Jewel facial is a special signature facial of mine, which I have specially curated for the salons, the spas, the salons, and for you all to use them and really make your client's skin glow. And it is a facial that can be done in 55 minutes. It is used for all skin types, which is really, really fantastic and wonderful. In this facial, I have specially used these special crystals and jewel crystals like you can find, like it could be quartz. Then we've also used rose quartz. And now rose quartz and quartz, as well as the citrine, they are very nourishing, they are very moisturizing. Now the rose quartz is extremely moisturizing, and of course the rest. And then I have used jade, and I've also used jade and aquamarine, and these are stones that are very cleansing. And of course, now don't forget the amethyst. Amethyst is a stone that not only cleanses your facial but cleanses your whole aura. So these have been specially added in these facials, in this facial. Also essential oils like of orchid, of lotus, and not only the essential oils but also the extracts of orchid, lotus and licorice. Now they also have ceramides, which are extremely good for anti-aging and really helps your cells. So this facial is really going to make your clients and make you very, very happy, and it's going to give a wonderful glow, which is not going to be just there for that moment, but it's going to last for over, I know it lasts, I've been using it and working with it. It's lasted for up to 3 weeks, definitely 2.5 weeks, but it also goes up to 3 weeks. Now the jewel kit comes in a box like this, which has 5 mono cartons or 5 facials, we can say. And in each of these, let's open and have a look. And in each of these, it comes out like this. And the first thing I'd like to say is, it has a leaflet like this, which tells us what skin type, which can be used, that means for all skin types, age group, all age groups, benefits, it gives glow, radiance and sparkle. And then we have the duration, which is 55 minutes, and equipment that we use with this is the Galvanic machine. So this is all the instructions that are there, and it also tells you how to do it and how each of these steps are. Now it comes in English, it comes in Hindi, and I'm sure it's going to come in all the languages that are there when they ask for it, and when it goes to each of the places, you're going to definitely have it in different languages so that it can easily be used and you can really follow it. Now let's see what we have. The first thing is we need a cleanser. So we have a jewel cleanser. Now in this jewel cleanser, you're going to find that you're going to have an amethyst, you're going to have aquamarine. So they are going to really cleanse the skin, as well as the essential oils, aromatherapy oils, so that everything is going to work together to cleanse your skin. Then we come to 2, which is an exfoliator. That is the Jewel Gel Exfoliator, which takes out all the dead cells from the skin. So that will be quartz that is there, and we use that. And then the third is the massage gel. Now the massage gel is a gel which is going to nourish and moisturize the skin. So naturally it's going to have the rose quartz, it's going to have the lotus, it's going to have the licorice, okay, it's going to have the ceramides, and it's going to also have the citrine in it. And we have the jewel pack. Now apart from these precious stones that are there, you're going to find in your massage gel and all of them, we've also used silver, gold. We've also used a little bit of platinum, very tiny bit, but silver and gold mostly, and you will find them in the kits in the pack and in all these ingredients, so that it is a really a jewel. It is where we have the metal, precious metals, as well as the jewels, as well as the essential oils and the ceramides. So everything is really going to work together to help your clients to get that wonderful glow. And last but not least, we have the serum and the concentrate which we apply on the skin. So this is your complete kit that is in there. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, because I really enjoyed not only making it but working with it.
Blossom Kochhar Aroma Magic Jewel Facial. This facial is suitable for all skin types and for all age groups. The duration of this facial is 55 minutes. It helps the skin to glow, radiate, and add sparkle. For the aroma prep, harmonize with your client by taking 2 drops of either Lang Lang or Jasmine essential oils. Rub them together gently in your client's palms and ask them to deep breathe 3 times. Step 1. Jewel Gel Cleanser. Clean the face gently with Jewel Gel Cleanser for 2 minutes. Wipe off with damp cotton. Step 2. Jewel Gel Exfoliator. Apply a layer of Jewel Gel Exfoliator all over the face and neck. While doing so, avoid the eye area. Over this, use Galvanic negative current for 2 minutes on the face only and wipe it off with damp cotton, or leave it on for 10 minutes and then wipe it off. Step 3. Jewel Massage Gel. Apply a thick layer of Jewel Massage Gel all over the face and neck. Using Galvanic positive current, massage gently for 3 minutes. Without wiping off, massage the face and neck for 15 minutes and leave the massage gel on. Step 4. Pour out the jewel mask in a bowl and add enough water to make a paste. Mix this vigorously with a wooden spatula to get a smooth paste. Apply the mask all over the face and neck and leave it on for 15 minutes. Remove the mask gently, starting from the inside, and wipe off with damp cotton. Step 5. Apply jewel serum all over the face and neck and massage it into the skin for 3 minutes. Finally, apply a suitable sunscreen to ensure protection.